Hi, this is 2015 BMW 2 Series with NBT connection. Basically, the dash is same for CIC and NBT. So as you can see, the back panel shape is like angle. So the first step that you need to remove is the vent. Once you have the vent removed, it's just the few clips on holding the vent. So it will be 2 on top, 4 at the bottom. So you will need to use the popper panel to pop this out, and also there's one connector to the hazard light door open switch, and connector for the air vent. After you have this disconnect, which is 2 cable here, one on this, one on the other. So this will be 2 connector must connect to the air vent, and after you have these 2 connector removed, then there's 2 screws holding the factory climate control panel. Once you release these 2 screws, then you can pop it out, because this panel is holding by the metal clips. 2 and the other. One here, one here. That's all you need to do, and disconnect the climate control connectors from this side, which is the connector right here. After that, remove 2 screws holding the factory radio. Once you have this factory radio removed, you can see the square plug for the radio. If you have fiber optic, you will need to remove the fiber optic, and usually it's located on the first slot, which is on the left hand side here. Once you have this removed, then you can add the Android power harness. For the factory screen, there's underneath 2 screws holding the factory screen, and it's the torque. Once you have these 2 release, lift up the factory screen. You can see the bracket holding here, and the LVDS cable plug into the factory screen. You just need to push down the clips and remove the LVDS connector. This LVDS connector needs to go back to the Android screen. So make sure you order the right one. This is 6-pin NBT, and the other one will be 4-pin CIC. So that's how you remove the factory air vent, reach to the factory radio, and remove the screen from 2015 2 Series. Thank you.